Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine at your home. I'm your teacher Sidra and I want to teach you maths. And we have started a new topic, subtraction with regrouping. In this lesson, we will focus on subtracting 2-digit and 3-digit numbers using regrouping when we need to. Dear students, this is your colorful book. Open it at the page number 45. This is your page number 45, lesson number 5, subtraction with regrouping. And the first example, subtract 14 from 31, and this example on the page number 46 you have done in your previous lecture. Now move to the next page. This is an example number 2, subtract 135 from 608 on the page number 47, and I have written this example on a paper. Now let's see. Subtract 135 means minus 135 or take away 135 from 608, and I have written 3 place values, 1s, 10s, 100, because there are 3 digits. Okay, now you will write the greatest number. 608 is the greatest number. You will write on the top row. Now 135, subtract 135, you will write here, subtract 135. Now you can solve it. As you know, always start working from the ones column and subtract the bottom digit from the top digit. You can see 8 is greater than 5. Now you can subtract both numbers. You can write amount here of 8 or you can count on your fingers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now take away 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5, 3 are left. You can write here. Now move to the tens place column. 0 take away 3. You can see. Now students, when the top digit is less than the bottom digit, you need regrouping. Okay, when the top digit is less than the bottom digit, you need regrouping. So to regroup, you borrow one number from the neighbor column and attach it to the ones place digit. Okay, you can see now it becomes 10 and it becomes 5. Okay, now you will subtract both numbers. 10 take away 3 is 7. You can count on your fingers or you can write amount here. 10 take away 3 is 7. Now move to the third place. 5 minus 1 is 4. It's page number 48. Example number 3, subtract 269 from 520. The solution of this example is exactly same as this one. You have understood about this example. Now move to the next page. It's page number 49. The example number 4, subtract 125 from 300. Okay, I have written this example on a paper. You can see, subtract 125 from 300. Subtract mean minus 125 or take away 125. I have written place values here. 1s, 10s, 100, because there are 3 digits, so that I have written 3 place values. Okay students, as you know, always start working from the ones column. There is 0, take away 5. You know, when the top digit is less than the bottom digit, you need regrouping. To regroup, you borrow one number from its neighbor, but there is also 0. In this case, you move to the second neighbor. It is not 0. Now you borrow one number from this neighbor and attach it with 10's top digit. Now it is become 10 and it becomes 2. Now it is become 10, and this time you can borrow one digit, one number from its neighbor digit tens and attach it to the ones place digit. Okay, now it becomes 10 and it becomes a 9. Now you will subtract both numbers. 10 take away 5 is 5. Now come to the second place. 9 subtract 2, 9 take away 2 is 7. Third place, 2 take away 1 is 1. I repeat it again for your understanding. First of all, you want to understand when the top digit is less than the bottom digit, you need regrouping. To regroup, you borrow one number from its neighbor. If the number is also 0, neighbor is also 0, now you will move to the second neighbor and you will borrow one number and attach it with it. Now you can take carry for the ones digit. Now you will subtract both numbers one by one. In this page, it's page number 52 of your textbook. Subtract question number 1. There are some parts of question number 1. If you have understood all the examples, by the help of the examples you can solve these questions. These are very easy. Part D, you have done method in this example. You can see you have learned this example. So now I will do part E. There are two numbers, 456 minus 368. If you read this question, you can read in this way: subtract 368 from 456. In the first row you will write 456. Start from the ones place column. 6, 5 and 4. Subtract 368. You will write in the second row. Start from the ones place. 8, 6 and 3. Now you will subtract both numbers. So start working from the ones column. 6 minus 8. You have learned if the top digit is less than the bottom digit, you need regrouping. To regroup, you borrow one number from the neighbor. Okay, it's 5. Now you will cut it for taking one carry for the ones digit. I will take carry 1. It becomes 4 and it becomes 16. Now it is the bigger number than the bottom number. 16 take away 8 is 8. You can write here. You can write the amount here, or you can count in your finger. Now the second step, 4 subtract 6. 4 is smaller than 6. Now you can't subtract both numbers. In this time you can take carry from the neighbor. To regroup, you borrow one number from its neighbor. 4 is the neighbor of this number. Now you cut it to take carry 1 and you will attach 1 with this number. It becomes 14 and it becomes 3. Now you will subtract both numbers. 14 take away 6 is 8. Now move to the third column, that is hundreds. Now subtract both numbers. 3 take away 3 is 0. Okay, and this is your answer. Now let's move to the next question. It's question number 2, part A. 413 minus 9 is equals to dash. I have written this example on a paper. Let's see, 413 minus 4, it means subtract 4 from 413. There are 3 digits, so that I have written 3 place values. Now you will put this number over here and this number over here. Now start working from the ones column. You can see the top digit is smaller than the bottom digit. Now you need regrouping, and to regroup you borrow one number from its neighbor. Now it becomes 13 and it becomes 0. Now you will subtract both numbers because this number is bigger than this number. 13 subtract 4 is 9. And in the tens column you can see there is only 0 and there isn't any number below this 0, so you will write down in the same way. Now move to the third step. There is only 4, there is nothing, any number below 4, so that you will write down this number in the same way, and this is your answer. You will write here 409. You can try the remaining parts. Now let's move towards your book. It's your workbook. Open it at the page number 45. It's worksheet number 5. Write your name here, your class and date. The first question, subtract part A. There are two numbers, 55. Subtract 19. First of all, you have to write the place values. Ones, tens. Now let's begin to solve it. Always remember that start working from the ones column, and if the top digit is smaller than the bottom digit, then you can't subtract both numbers. Now tell me, what should we do? Yes, we need regrouping. To regroup, you borrow 1 from its neighbor digit. Okay? Now it becomes 15 and it becomes 4. Now you can see the top digit is greater than the bottom digit, so that you can take away 9 from 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Now come to the next column. 4 subtract 1 or 4 minus 1 is 3. Students, you can also try to solve these parts on your workbook. Now let's move on next page. This page is also very easy. Now come to in this page, it's page number 47 of your workbook. Now I will solve this part of question number 3. It's B part. There are two numbers, 451 minus 79 is equals to dash. So that I have written here place values, ones, tens, 100, because you can see there are 3 digits. Okay, now put this number in the first row, and in the second row you will put the second number. Okay, start from ones place. Okay, now let's see, there is one number and one is smaller than the bottom number. So how can you subtract both numbers? What should we do? Yes, we need regrouping. So class, to regroup you borrow one number to its neighbor, and it will become 11 and it becomes 4. 11 minus 9 is 2. Come to the second column, 4 minus 7. You can't subtract both numbers because 4 is smaller than 7. Now To regroup, you borrow one number to its neighbor. Okay, now it will become 14 and it becomes 3. 14 minus 7 is 7, and come to the third column. There is only 3 and nothing, any number below 3. Now you can write this number same in this way. 372 is your answer. You can write this answer over here. I hope you can solve the remaining parts. Students, let's take a review. You have learned subtraction without regrouping and subtraction with regrouping. There are two methods for subtraction without regrouping. In method number 1, you have learned subtraction. How can you find the answer by backward counting? In method, you have learned subtraction of 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers. The first step is always start from the ones place, okay, ones column. In subtraction with regrouping, you will always see that the top digit is greater than the bottom digit, so that you can subtract easily. Now come to the second step. You can see the top digit is greater than the bottom digit, so you can subtract both number easily, and therefore you get the answer. Now subtraction with regrouping. In this topic you have learned how can you subtract 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers. First of all, you will subtract in the ones place column digits. You can see in the subtraction with regrouping, the top digit is smaller than the bottom digit, so you can't subtract both numbers. You need regrouping, and to regroup you borrow one number from its neighbor. Okay, you can see it becomes 11 and it becomes 2. Now you can subtract both numbers because you can see the top digit is bigger than the bottom digit. Now 11 subtract 4 is 7. Now move to the second step. It becomes 2. Now you will subtract both numbers because there is greater number than the bottom digit. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now you get answer. Students, you are learning chapter number 2. You have done lesson number 5. The pages are of your textbook 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 52. You have also learned the pages of your workbook 45, 46 and 47. Now I hope you will take a closer look and understand this video, and also solve the worksheet provided with this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.